Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name's Adwoa, and today I decided to do something different, and I'm going to be doing a fitness health vlog situation thing. I have to meal prep, or I have to meal prep, let me just say that. And I just figured why not show you guys. I'm kind of on this like health journey thing. If you want to keep up on this journey, follow my Fitsta. It's going to be right here on the screen. I've been trying to work out consistently. I'm also going to go to the gym today. I might show you my workout depending on how busy the gym is. Yeah, so I'm going to meal prep, go to the gym, and then I have like school things that I have to do. I can't wait to meal prep because I found 2 recipes that I want to make. And I also have to get groceries. And I'm also going to be finally making my bran muffins. I love bran muffins, especially with peanut butter. So good. I need to meal prep because my macros have increased and I haven't been hitting them for the past while. So I need to meal prep just to make sure that I actually hit my macros, because I want to see progress and have this thing happening in the summer that I want to just look snatched for. I apologize for the glare. I have a blue light filter on my glasses, so it's just, I can't really fix that. So yeah, I am going to start getting ready for the day. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make I'm gonna make my bed, and then I think I might just go to the gym right away. And then but if I go to the gym, then I have to get groceries. I'll figure it out. I'll let you guys know once I actually know what I want to do. And I apologize for my morning voice. I just woke up and I haven't really talked to people, so I sound like this. If you want to see my day, trying to, you know, if you want to see how I'm getting back on track, keep watching. I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing these videos more often, but not like health vlogs, not like getting back on track every single time, because I want to stay on track. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, so for my breakfast, I like to make a breakfast sandwich, and I like to put 2 fried eggs in it. I don't like them sunny side up, so I flip them over, make sure the yolks are cooked all the way, toast my bread, and then I put a little bit, I make some back bacon instead of using regular bacon. One, it's healthier and the cleanup is a lot better with back bacon. Then add a little bit of margarine to one side of my bread, and then I'll add some chipotle mayo. That stuff's so good. And then I just build my sandwich. So I put the egg on top and then the back bacon. And then I add 1 slice of cheddar cheese, add more chipotle mayo, and that's the breakfast sandwich. So I just got back from the gym and doing groceries. I am so hungry. I'm going to make my post-workout smoothie, and I'm using protein from First Form. I got it in, I think it was like 2 or 3 weeks ago, probably 2 weeks ago, and it's so good. I'm gonna show you what I put in it. It's a green smoothie, and I'm also gonna show you guys what I got from the grocery store. This is their post-workout stack. So it comes with Formula 1, and I got it in the flavor chocolate mint cookie, and this is Ignition, and it's supposed to help like with recovery time and muscle growth and stuff. So let's get my NutriBullet out. Okay, so the first thing I put in is a handful of some baby spinach.
For my smoothie, I like to add a handful and a bit of spinach, and then whatever frozen fruit I have on hand. This time I had mango. I like to put in some hemp hearts for a plant-based source of protein. I've recently just started using them. And then I added some chia seeds for some healthy fats.
I usually weigh this stuff out, but I'm so tired. I just can't right now. And then just put a little bit of this.
And afterwards, I add in my Ignition and my, I think it's Formula One. I add half a scoop of Ignition. And a whole scoop of Formula One. And I also added some Greek yogurt for some extra protein because I've been struggling to get my protein in, so I gotta get it in whatever way I can. And then I just add some oat milk. I ran out of oat milk, and even though I did get groceries, they didn't have any, so I had to use water, which is completely fine.
So good. Okay, now onto the groceries. I got a mix of healthy and unhealthy things. First, I'm a chip fiend, so I had to. I got 2 things of back bacon. I eat these in my breakfast sandwiches, and I go through them fairly quickly. I got Mentos. I don't restrict myself from certain things. Like I usually don't have cravings when I eat healthy, but when I do have cravings, I decide to buy like Mars Bites and like mini Kit Kats because I crave Kit Kats a lot. I've been craving cinnamon buns, so, and I had this thing for cinnamon buns for like a week and a half. So I bought these. I don't think I've ever had Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. And then I bought some cheese for my breakfast sandwiches. And then I bought some chickpeas because I'm making a Greek chickpea salad with my meal prep. Black beans and then some corn. And I'm making a fajita, like taco bowl, burrito bowl thing with those. And I got sour cream to go with the burritos. And then tzatziki sauce for my Greek bowl. More chips. These are so good. If you haven't tried them, you need to try them. No! Oh, this is... A good chunk of my smoothie just went on the counter. How fun. Continue on. More Doritos. I got a green pepper for the salad and then a red onion for the Greek bowls. They didn't have regular cucumbers that were good, so I just got these mini ones. So much extra packaging that they don't need. Some Tex-Mex cheese for the burrito, taco, fajita bowl things. Some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And then Skittles, because I have a sweet tooth sometimes. So this is the overview of the stuff. It doesn't look like a lot, but I spent a lot. So I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my protein smoothie, put these away, and then I will talk to you guys when I'm actually like meal prepping.